Help! 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 What's inside this egg? Let's crack it open!
What a strange egg. Time to crack it open! Whoa, it's cracking! Just a bit more. Oh my God!
Hey, that's my egg!
Finders keepers, get back here!
Too slow, you'll be eaten.
Oh my God! Okay. Let's go inside.
Here we go.
Wow, and I'm so sad.
Me too, duckling. Let's go find the farmer.
Okay, wow.
Oh, my little ones, come here.
Farmer, the monkey is stealing our eggs. Yes, a sneaky monkey.
What? A monkey stealing eggs? This is terrible. We must stop it, Janka. All right, my fatland, let's head to the treehouse. That's the spirit. Keep up now. Look, there it is, the treehouse.
All right, let's check on the little ones. Oh no! Whoa! Easy there, little fella. Come on out, everyone. Well now, what do we have here? Yikes! A giant! Run! Hey, wait! Don't be scared! There, you're safe with me. All right, little ones, time to go back to your families. Here you are, safe with your mama. All right, little ones, time to go home. Here you are, back with your mama.
Quack, quack,
And what a beautiful day, my friends.
quack, quack. Quack, quack.
So happy.
Quack, quack.
Look, the sunset. Time to rest.
Good night.